Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, today we are making something unique. We are going to roast our sweet potatoes, and so I'll start by washing them. These are dry banana fibers. These are fresh potatoes from the garden. We got them today. So right now, these are our potatoes. Right here is our fire. It has been going for a long time. There is a lot of charcoal. I'll leave some charcoal down and add some ash on top of them. Then I put more. So I'll just go ahead and lay my potatoes there. Then I'll just go ahead and put back the fire that I removed. So we give them about 30 to 40 minutes and they'll be ready. So I've put some little firewood on top because when we are roasting potatoes, it's okay to be cooking some other thing up. So as we are waiting for the potatoes to get ready, I've decided to roast some maize because here we can multitask. These are our potatoes and they are ready to eat. You can see how soft they are. Please remember to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.